Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman. So today we are going to see that how to add subtitle permanently to your video for free. So as you can see, first of all you have to download this Handbrake free software. It's a freely available. It's a open source software, so you can download it easily. After downloading it, you have to install this Handbrake software. So open the file and install this software. You can select your particular folder where you want to install this software. It may be your C drive or any drive. Now after installing this software, if you open this, it may happen that you will get this notification that you have to install .NET10. If you haven't, then you have to. If you already have this .NET 10, you can skip to step 5. So step 4 is download and install this .NET 10 software. Okay, so after installation is done, you can now open this Handbrake software and it will open, and now you can see that you can drag and drop a file. So you can just go to your folder where you have keep your video file, just drag it and drop it over here in this Handbrake software. Now over here you have to import your subtitle file. So import the subtitle file, and you can do this options which I am just giving you, and these are the optional settings which you can perform that will needed to make your video with high quality, low quality, audio, bit rate or frame rate. All those things you can add it over here. It's your preference, it's up to you. I will make a video as well, one more video, that how can you get a subtitle file easily available on VLC media player, where you can select a subtitle file inbuilt. So now this is, you can see the frame rate. Step 9, provide the file name and the output location. You can change this file name, you can change the file type as well. I'm going with MP4 format, which is usually widely used. Now after this you have to start encoding, so click on this start encode button, and now wait for the encoding gets completed. It will take some time. Now this is the file which I got after encoding. So you can see that now the subtitles are coming in this video. And if this video is helpful to you, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman for more such videos. Thank you.